Mbiamono umurikito bene Breton makoli kurwa nsemelia yabo bansi munchu mulikira bono go tigelia ensemo kurwa sorongorwa Gusii kensemende toligena lyabereka okolekana omurai bwense omusike William Samoei Ruto asiritukulia leo nigabaga kubwatoka amachani gochia sensemo ya Accra yogo toka sense ya Ghana kaokona kurwa samaga chama nena Kisii myumucho Nairobi Ruto nigate buna nenchire ya moyoko ndra kwene kene kwachi kutwara ubwa matobu ya nenseli ya Ghana anekera ekagere buna nenchire ya moyoko ligie chiro yecha kuruga ikasense ya Kenya gochigali nsemelia ya Ghana Ruto boigoni gate buna bachikoligere boya bachikoligere sentunde ya kabere na kina ndabago chikoyo ligo lilio boyo andakalika na shilingi chiri bubere nechime isano.
A fairly reduced price of 3,500. We are still working with the producers of fertilizer. We want to see whether we can take this fertilizer down to between 2,500 and 3,000. That is our trajectory. And it's not just for tea, it's for all our farmers, whether they are doing coffee or they are doing wheat or maize or all the other cereals in that space. Secondly, I have already had a discussion with industry players in the tea sector. They have raised a couple of issues, matters to do with taxation. I want to undertake that our next agenda, when we will be discussing our budget, is to eliminate any barriers in the tea sector that come as a result of matters taxation. We are going to look at the cost-benefit analysis on VAT on tea, whether it is helping the farmers or it is stifling our value addition agro-processing trajectory. I have also had a conversation on emerging markets, markets for tea, orthodox tea, and I have been informed that KTDA may require some support so that we can capture the market on orthodox tea. I have given undertaking that in the next 2 weeks, I want a proposal from KTDA so that we can provide the resources